glass tab, protractor, pencil, blank, scale, and we place the glass tab on the paper and we draw the outline of the glass slab. Don't disturb that. So take it from there and identify the normal. Keep it aside. Keep it in pocket. Draw the normal to that at 90 degrees. Keep it side. Slab. At bottom side also. Insert the pins at 2 points and above line. Insert it. Insert straight. Don't disturb the paper. Paper kal liye tu. Only two. Keep it in straight line and keep the place that glass slab on it. Same bit danlo. Yes sir. So observe that side. Akkada chudandi. Insert the 2 pins at the same line. Or 2 pins at the pins to same line. Same line. Insert the 2 pins at same line. When you see from that side, they should be in same line. Don't disturb the slab. Straight line. They should be appear in one line. 4 pins. Okay.
Same.
Don't touch. Take it slab and take the pins. Remove the thing. No. Remove all. Draw the line.
At the bottom.
Measure the angle. Measure the angle of the at the bottom of the slab. What is the angle? Keep it at center.
Yes.
So what is the angle? 90. Take the this side. No. Join that. Correct join. Normal like join. That is the incident. Show the arrow. Arrow mark. Take this side. Arrow mark. What is the angle? Mention the angle. Angle equal 30.
30.
Draw the straight line from this angle. Angle straight atle పెట్టేసి స్కేల్ పెట్టేసి straight కి కరెక్ట్ ఉండాలి. గో ఇక్కడ దూరం చూడండి మళ్ళీ. స్కేల్ వాడితే బెస్ట్. కింద వరకు తీసుకోవాలి. Insert the pins this side. An incident ray. Inside 2 pins are the incident rays. Come and this side. Observe the 2 pins to the glass slab and pin that side. Insert the pins that side. They should be appear in same line. 4 pins. Adjust చేయండి. Remove the pins and draw the line from this. Draw the normal. Straight, keep it straight. 1.2 centimeters. So this is a lateral shift. This is a 1.2 centimeters. Right here, lateral shift is a 1.2 centimeters. 1.2 centimeters. So this is a error medium. Glass when light ray, what is the angle of incident? 30 degrees. So when refract it, what is the angle? So does it increase or decrease? So already we discussed that when the light ray travels from the rarer to denser, angle of refraction decreases. When light ray travels from the denser to rarer, angle of refraction increases. Okay. Please observe. With 30 degrees, refraction is 80 degrees. It has some 80 degrees, or it is more than the 28 degrees. So observe this angle. So it has less angle. It shows the more angle. So the distance between the actual ray and the refracted ray, that is called lateral shift.